If you have a 2 gig panel and you get a notification on your panel or through the Alarm.com app stating that you have a low battery on your door or window contact sensor, this is how to change the batteries. It looks like this. You'll find them on any door or window. You can use your fingers to open the tab, but you can also use something with a thin side to open it. Pry it open, and inside you will find the 2 batteries. You need 2 CR2032 batteries per sensor that you're going to change. You can use your fingers to slide them out, or you can use your tool. They pop out. Once you've replaced them with new batteries, once you put them in, you'll put it with the number side facing up. Then you replace the cover, making sure to put the tab on the inside, and it will snap back on. And that's how you change the battery.